Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the NASDAQ to MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to codes. Click on it. Go to plus, click on it. Then go to indices group. Make sure that you link your MetaTrader 5 with a broker. Click on it. And here look for US Tech, NASDAQ, or NAS 100. Okay, that depends on your broker. They are all the same. Okay, so click on it one time. And now let's go back. And here look for that US Tech. As you can see here, this one. Click on it. Click on chart. And now, as you can see here, this is the US Tech 100. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.